How do you install Windows Movie Maker on Windows 10 in 2019? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is head to the link in the top of the description, which will take you to a section in the Microsoft Live forum. Now, as you can see in the forum, if we scroll down, there's a section listing the Windows Essentials latest version. And if you click on this link, it should instantly begin downloading the Windows Essentials installer to your computer. As you can see, it's installing down here. However, if it does not start installing, just simply reload the page and it will be sure to start installing that time. Okay, so once the Windows Essentials installer has downloaded, simply click on the icon and open up the application. It will then bring you to a page asking if you'd like to grant the app permission to make changes to your device. Simply press yes and it will take you to this page here. And here I'm asked if I'd like to install all of Windows Essentials or just some specific programs. So obviously I just want to install specific programs. So if I click on that, it will take me to this page here. And as you can see, Windows Essentials is comprised of a number of applications. So simply untick the ones you do not want and leave Windows Movie Maker ticked. Windows Movie Maker will be down here on your device, but as you can see, I already have it installed. Then simply click Install. And as I can show you now, I have Windows Movie Maker installed on my device and it is functioning perfectly. So thank you very much for watching and please subscribe for similar videos.